This single tomato ketchup factory produces over 50,000 bottles every hour.
But what does it really take to transform raw tomatoes into this perfectly controlled ocean of tomato ketchup?
Every bottle of tomato ketchup begins with a flood of freshly harvested tomatoes entering the heart of the factory. Water carries the tomatoes deeper into the tomato ketchup factory, guiding them toward their first cleansing stage.
Inside the tomato ketchup plant, powerful rotating drums wash away soil and field residue.
Trained eyes ensure only quality tomatoes continue their journey through the ketchup production line.
Precision optical systems remove imperfections before the transformation into tomato ketchup begins.
Now the tomatoes enter the crushing stage of the ketchup manufacturing process.
The structure of the tomato collapses into rich pulp, the base of tomato ketchup. Pumped through sealed lines, the tomato pulp advances toward the cooking heart of the ketchup factory.
Inside the tomato ketchup plant, the fresh pulp is stabilized before controlled heating begins.
Precise thermal systems raise the temperature, preparing the tomato base for refinement. Every degree is controlled to protect flavor and color in the tomato ketchup process. Uniform heat ensures the tomato pulp thickens evenly before filtration. Filtration refines the base, transforming rough pulp into smooth tomato puree for ketchup.
In the cooking hall, heat begins concentrating the essence of tomato ketchup.
Exact proportions of sweetness and acidity define the signature taste of tomato ketchup. With force and precision, the tomato ketchup achieves its iconic smooth consistency. Inside the tomato ketchup factory, vacuum technology gently removes excess moisture without burning the flavor. Reduced pressure allows the tomato ketchup to thicken while preserving its bright red color. Moisture is separated and reclaimed as the tomato ketchup reaches optimal density.
Every batch of tomato ketchup is tested to meet precise thickness standards.
Smart control systems maintain uniform consistency throughout the ketchup production line. High-pressure homogenization perfects the texture of modern tomato ketchup. Now fully concentrated, the tomato ketchup awaits its final refinement before packaging. From cooking to concentration, the tomato ketchup flows toward the packaging stage.
Before receiving tomato ketchup, every bottle must be perfectly clean and aligned.
Inside the tomato ketchup plant, high-pressure rinsing removes invisible contaminants. Filtered air ensures each tomato ketchup bottle is moisture-free before filling.
Ultraviolet sterilization adds an extra layer of safety to the tomato ketchup packaging process.
Perfect spacing prepares each bottle for precise tomato ketchup filling. Measured to the milliliter, tomato ketchup fills each bottle with consistent accuracy. Sealed and secure, the tomato ketchup bottles advance to their final presentation stage.
Caps are automatically sorted and guided towards sealing the tomato ketchup bottles.
Now sealed, each bottle of tomato ketchup moves toward its branded identity.
Precision-fed label rolls prepare to wrap every tomato ketchup bottle with uniform branding.
High-speed rollers secure each label smoothly onto the tomato ketchup bottles. Heat seals provide tamper protection for every bottle of tomato ketchup.
Traceability is stamped onto every tomato ketchup bottle for quality assurance. Automated scanners verify each tomato ketchup bottle before it moves forward. Every gram of tomato ketchup is verified to meet strict production standards.
With labeling complete, the tomato ketchup bottles approach the final packing stage.
Before tomato ketchup bottles are packed, cartons are formed with mechanical precision. Automation ensures each carton of tomato ketchup is packed quickly and accurately.
With bottles secured inside, the tomato ketchup cartons are prepared for sealing. Strong seals protect every carton of tomato ketchup during storage and transport.
Logistics information is marked clearly on every tomato ketchup carton.
Shrink wrapping stabilizes groups of tomato ketchup cartons for efficient handling. Robotic systems stack tomato ketchup cartons with consistent alignment and stability.
Wrapped and secured, the tomato ketchup pallets are ready for warehouse transfer.
From the packing line, tomato ketchup pallets begin their controlled journey into storage.
Each tomato ketchup pallet is digitally logged before entering automated storage. Conveyor systems transport tomato ketchup pallets without manual handling. Precision shuttle systems position tomato ketchup pallets for vertical storage. Automated cranes store tomato ketchup pallets in organized warehouse grids.
Digital tracking ensures every tomato ketchup pallet can be retrieved instantly.
When orders arrive, automation retrieves tomato ketchup pallets with exact precision.
From storage to shipping, the tomato ketchup pallets move toward final dispatch.
Before shipment, every tomato ketchup pallet undergoes a final physical inspection.
Final barcode verification confirms the tomato ketchup shipment is ready to move. Dock systems align precisely to ensure safe loading of tomato ketchup pallets. Careful maneuvering places each tomato ketchup pallet securely inside the transport truck. Load restraints protect tomato ketchup cartons during long-distance delivery. With doors sealed, the tomato ketchup shipment is ready for departure.
From production line to highway, tomato ketchup begins its journey to markets.
Behind these walls, every bottle of tomato ketchup meets strict industrial standards.
Even after packaging, tomato ketchup is tested to guarantee consistent quality.
Each batch of tomato ketchup is opened for laboratory verification.
Viscosity testing ensures the tomato ketchup maintains its signature thickness.
Balanced acidity preserves both flavor and safety in every tomato ketchup bottle.
Microbiological testing confirms the tomato ketchup meets strict hygiene standards.
Controlled incubation reveals any unseen contamination risks.
Flavor, color, and aroma are evaluated to preserve the authentic tomato ketchup profile.
With laboratory approval granted, the tomato ketchup batch is cleared for full distribution. With final approval, the tomato ketchup batch is officially cleared for shipment.
automation moves tomato ketchup pallets efficiently from storage to dispatch.
The final stage begins as tomato ketchup pallets approach the loading bays. Carefully loaded, tomato ketchup pallets are secured for nationwide distribution. Every shipment of tomato ketchup leaves only after final human verification. From factory floor to highways, tomato ketchup begins its journey to consumers. Behind every bottle of tomato ketchup stands a system of precision, control, and scale.
And that's how sugar is made from field to finished product. Thanks for watching.